So I did some research on what the cool younger kids are saying on YouTube. So here it goes. Hi. Hi. I'm really going through it. So all of this will make more sense if you watch through the end of the video. That's a good teaser, right? Watch to the end. Hit the subscribe button, the bell, the like, the thumbs up. Today, I'm going to shoot one of my most requested videos since I became a blogger, and that is an after party cleanup. Now, you may be wondering these days, like, why am I having a party when we're all in quarantine? But if you didn't see my previous video at home, we did celebrate National Unicorn Day for a party. So I decided that after I got done with that, PS is the reason I'm wearing this outfit. This is my outfit for National Unicorn Day. Yeah, lovely, right? So back to topic. I am going to clean after the party, and it is a mess, let me tell you. So I'll show you our party mess. This is our pin the horn on the unicorn leftovers, and then the majority of our mess is in the dining room, in the kitchen. So, oh yeah, see, this is how I shoot with my tripod. I have a short tripod, so I put it on top of the chair, on top of the laundry basket. And there's my daughter, Camille. Are you gonna help me clean? Yeah, figures. And we have quite the mess from cookie making, all of our rainbow cookies, and mess on the floor. I actually have these decorations that we're gonna clean up, or I mean decorate for Unicorn Day. There's my other daughter, Evie. Evie, are you gonna help me clean up? Yeah. Yeah, oh, that's great. That's what I wanted to hear. So let's take a look at the kitchen. The kitchen is kind of a disaster because we made cookies and all those sprinkles, and yeah, enough said, right? There we go. And gives me a little bit of anxiety because I like not to be, you know, so dirty. And then in here we just have remnants of playing, which is great, but we'll have to do some in the living room too. Ready to go, girls? Yeah. Clean? I'm going to start right here in the kitchen, and if you don't have like organizing bins like this is really nice, especially when you're cleaning up, because you can easily put everything in one, and even some stuff that doesn't belong in there I'm going to put in there, because then I can take everything to the spot at one shot instead of making multiple runs. So now I piled everything that doesn't belong in the dining room in one area, so that way I'll be able to just take hopefully a couple loads rather than running back and forth. And then I also made this second pile, which is our unicorns related stuff that we're going to use to decorate for National Unicorn Day. I actually brought the trash can right next to the table because with all of the sprinkles and the flour from cookie making, I was not looking forward to this task, and I figured if I have the trash can right here, it'll make it easier just to put everything in it. Go sprinkles. I put soap and water along with a few drops of essential oils in this just to make, you know, the area smell good. Ugh, love essential oils lately. But anyways, I'm doing this with my left hand, so hopefully this isn't too hard. But I was going to show you a little trick I learned, if I can get it squirting. Okay, so then, you know, when you spray or whatever, you want to do more of an S pattern like this when you clean off the final area, because then you make sure you get everywhere really well. So once again, you spray, and you want to do more of like an S pattern like this rather than, you know, you make sure then you get every single little area. Now we're moving into the kitchen, and let me tell you, it's a disaster zone. I don't really have much of a plan of attack here aside from get all the dishes rinsed a little bit and put them in the dishwasher. One of the containers I have to clean is my powdered sugar container. I love putting my baking essentials in these instead in my pantry. So we ran out of powdered sugar in there anyway, so I'll clean that and then put some more in there. Sprinkles are a lot of fun when it comes to kids cookie decorating and parties, but yeah, they sure do make a mess along with frosting. So my first plan of attack is I'm going to vacuum it and then I'm going to scrub it. Now I'm going to decorate the table for National Unicorn Day. I simply just looked around the house for what kind of unicorn themed things the girls had, and we're gonna decorate the table with them. I know for a lot of people this isn't a big holiday, but for my girls who love unicorns, like so many other girls out there, it is a big deal. So I wanna do this for them. I'll talk you through a little bit about what I did. First of all, I wanted to make the rainbow cookies that my daughters made front and center because I'm so proud of them. They did a good job with that, I thought. And then this is a unicorn from my daughter Camille's room that we've had. I added, one of my daughters had a little pony birthday once, and so that's what that's from. It was a cake topper. And then I just added some artificial pink flowers, and hopefully this will brighten my daughter's day. Oh, there's my lovely daughter, Camille. Okay, Camille, so it's chore time now, right? You have to help mommy. After all, I didn't just make this mess, right? Especially these blacks. So I need you to put the blacks back away, okay? The answer is, yes, mommy.
No, Mom.
So here's one other thing that I did. Camille and I, for National Unicorn Day, made these unicorns. And so I hung them up with these little tiny clothespins, just like people hang up pictures sometimes, you know, with those little tiny clothespins, which would be fun actually if we took a picture, Camille, for National Unicorn Day on your camera, your Polaroid-like camera, that IMAX camera, and then we hung it right up in the middle, because that way too we'd have three things, so it would follow that rule, odd number rule, where if you haven't heard of that, I talk about it all the time in my videos, but for decorating, it looks best to decorate an odd number. So we could use either one more unicorn here or a picture in the middle or something. So Camille did agree to take some pictures. Yay! And Evie with the piñata. So between the party and the cleanup, it has been a long day. I had to refresh my lipstick, put a little pink lipstick on for the ending. Don't I look fresh? Yeah. Comment down below. No, or don't comment. That was nerdy. I need to like come up with some like good stuff. Yeah. Research. I'm going to research on like cool things to say on YouTube. Anyway, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and the bell for future videos so you don't miss out on future videos that I'm making, including a lot of cleaning and organization coming up. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and happy cleaning, everyone.